Hey writers and readers, it's Mrs. DeMillo back with video number 2. As you can see, I chose to use sticky notes as sort of my study guide. I wrote out the word subject. That seems like a strange word for me when I'm talking about grammar, and I put the definition as being a person, place, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. In my mind, it makes more sense to think about it as a noun. I put 2 stars next to doing or being because right beneath it is my starred sticky note of a verb, which is an action. I have some examples of what actions are beneath it. I know that a complete sentence has both a subject and a verb. My next sticky note that I made was a fragment, a group of words missing a subject or verb. In my mind, it made sense to think of it as an incomplete thought. Or really, it sounds awkward if you said it alone or if you said it out loud and alone. It just sounds like it's missing something. Let me give you an example right here. Walked across the room. Yep. Sounds like it's missing something. Watch how I fix this right now. Walked, well, that right there is my verb. But I don't know who or what walked. Therefore, I'm missing my subject, or AKA my noun. In which case, I can fix this any way I choose. Who is my subject? Okay, let's see. Here we go. Moses walked across the room, period. Now I have a complete sentence with my subject, my who, what they're doing. He's walking. Notice my punctuation at the end, period. That's an example of fixing a fragment. Next is the run-on. I put when 2 or more independent clauses, like what? That's such a weird phrase. So in parentheses, I put something that made sense to me. A subject plus a verb, or a complete idea, or a complete sentence. So when any of those things are connected improperly, it might be too much, it might be missing the word and, you might be missing some commas, you might just need to break it up into more sentences. Check it out right here. Here's my example of a very long run-on. I love my dog so much since he's an adorable Labradoodle puppy, even though he makes messes when he chews so many things. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that when you typically fix run-ons, it will often or sometimes include an element of revision. You might actually need to rewrite or readjust the wording of some of your sentences. I can fix this in any number of ways. I love my dog so much. Period. I love my dog so much. Dog, okay? I is my subject. What am I doing? I'm loving my dog. Period. Since he is an adorable Labradoodle puppy, that sounds awkward. I'm going to just take out the word since. I am going to then capitalize. He is an adorable Labradoodle puppy. And then I'm going to put a period. My next says, even though he makes messes when he chews so many things. That still sounds awkward. So I'm going to reword it. And I'm going to put in, I love him, comma, even though he makes messes when he chews things. I love my dog so much, period. He is an adorable Labradoodle puppy, period. I love him, comma, even though he makes messes when he chews things, period. I just broke that run-on up into 3 complete sentences. They are connected properly. Okay, your task, now that you have your study guide and cards, is you need to complete the IXL lessons, look through slides 2 through 4, and complete that now. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.